Guys, today we discuss about the bank nationalization. Back to our YouTube channel where we discuss important topic that impact our daily life. Today we have a fascinating subject to explore: bank nationalization. Have you ever wondered what it means when a bank is nationalized? How does it affect you as a customer or as investor? Stick around as we dive into the topic and provide you with the comprehensive understanding of bank nationalization. So let's start the defining what bank nationalization is. Bank nationalization occurs when government take control of private bank or financial institution and convert into a public entity. This process can involve the government acquiring a majority stake of a full ownership of the bank. The main objective behind bank nationalization is to protect stability of the financial system and ensure the best interest of the public. Now that we know what bank nationalize means, let's explore some common reason why government chose to nationalize bank. There are several factors that can lead the discussion. Financial crisis. During times of economic turmoil such as several financial crises, government made step in the prevent the collapse of major banks. They help safeguard depository money and maintain public confidence in the bank making system. Systematic risks. If a bank failure poses a significant threat to the entire financial system, nationalized can be effective measure to mitigate the risks and prevent domino effect on the other bank and overall economic public interest. Nationalizing a bank can drive by the desire to ensure the financial service remain accessible and affordable for the general public. This can include promoting financial inclusion, supporting small business, and serving understanding reason. So bank nationalization can have wide range impact on various stakeholders. Let's examine some of the key effects. Customer perspective. As a customer, you may experience change in the service quality, interest rate, and range of the financial product offered. This change can both positive and negative depending on the government objective and policy. Investor's perspective. If you are an investor, the value of your shares may be affected when the bank is nationalized. Government may compensate shareholder, but this is not always granted. According to the bank, portfolio and dividend policy may change our under policy ownership. To better understanding bank nationalization, let's take a look at the some notable example for a rounding of world. We explore the case like the nationalization of bank during 2008 financial crisis, as well as instance where country have a chosen nationalized bank serve a specific policy object. As we wrap up this video, it's important to remember the bank nationalization is a complex topic with both pros and cons. It's crucial to stay informed about the latest development in the banking sector and understanding how they can be impacted financial well-being. So guys, if you don't have a Demat account, then go to description where I put the link and open your Demat account with Angel One. सो गाइस चलिए देखते हैं एंजल वन पे ऑर्डर कैसे प्लेस करते हैं। दिख रहा होगा ऊपर सर्च बार, हमें सर्च बार पर क्लिक करनी है। एक इंटरफेस खुला जहाँ पे हमें अपने स्टॉक को सर्च कर लेना है। सो मैंने बैंक निफ्टी सर्च किया और बैंक निफ्टी खोलते ही हमें एक इंटरफेस खुला जहाँ पे हमें उसकी प्राइस लिस्ट हमें सब कुछ दिख रहा होगा और नीचे में दिख रहा है हमें एक बाइंग का ऑप्शन। सो हमें बाइंग करनी है, सो हम बाइंग पे क्लिक करेंगे और देन एक इंटरफेस खुला जहाँ पे हमें कैरी फॉरवर्ड इंट्राडे दिख रहा है। कैरी फॉरवर्ड वो होता है जब हम एक स्टॉक को एक से ज़्यादा दिन तक रखते हैं और इंट्राडे आज खरीदे आज ही बेच दिए, ठीक। देन हमें दिख रहा है लॉट साइज। लॉट साइज वो होता है स्टॉक का साइज जितना हम स्टॉक बाइंग करना चाहते हैं, ओके। देन हम देख रहे हैं लिमिट एंड मार्केट प्राइस। लिमिट होता है जब भी एक स्टॉक की एक लिमिट प्राइस पे खरीदते हैं, ठीक है। और मार्केट प्राइस, जैसे मार्केट में जो प्राइस चल रहा है उसी पे ले लेंगे, ठीक है। और लिमिट में हम अपने स्पेसिफिक प्राइस पे डील करेंगे, ओके। देन हमें अभी बाइंग करनी है तो पहले हम अपनी लॉट साइज डाल देंगे, ठीक। हमें प्राइस दिख रहा है और देन इसे बाइंग पे क्लिक करेंगे और इसे हम कंफर्म करेंगे, ओके। थैंक यू सो मच।